When you visit the Travelocity website, the first thing you'll notice is its clean and user-friendly layout. The car rental section is easy to navigate, with a prominent search bar allowing you to select pickup and drop-off locations, dates, and times. After entering your criteria, Travelocity quickly generates a list of available vehicles from various rental companies, including big names like Hertz, Davis, and Budget. The filtering system helps narrow down your choices by vehicle type, supplier, and price range. However, the filtering can sometimes be sluggish or unresponsive, especially on mobile. One thing that stands out is how Travelocity displays total pricing up front, which is a big plus. No surprises at checkout. Still, hidden fees can creep in depending on the provider, so it's crucial to read the fine print on each listing. Booking is straightforward. Once you pick a car, you're taken to a summary page showing cancellation policies, additional options like GPS or child seats, and sometimes insurance choices. Travelocity often includes free cancellation, but again, that depends on the rental agency, so make sure to double-check. The checkout process accepts various payment methods and doesn't require full payment upfront for many bookings, which gives some flexibility. Customer reviews are somewhat limited on the site, making it difficult to judge the reliability of specific car rental partners. Also, if you need customer support, Travelocity service can be hit or miss. Some users report long wait times and difficulty resolving issues, particularly with last-minute changes or refunds. While figuring out how to make the trip smoother, I stumbled upon Get Rent a Car. Since then, traveling's never been easier. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. In terms of pricing, Travelocity tends to be competitive, especially if you book early. They also offer package deals that include flights and hotels, which can save money if you're planning a full vacation. However, Travelocity doesn't always honor loyalty points from rental agencies, which might be a drawback if you regularly rent cars and want to earn perks. In my experience, the site works best for straightforward bookings. If you have complicated plans or need specific pickup instructions, you might be better off booking directly with the rental company. I also noticed that sometimes the vehicle categories shown on Travelocity don't match what you actually receive at pickup, so manage your expectations and confirm everything directly with the provider if possible. All in all, Travelocity is a decent choice for renting a car online, especially if you value convenience and a wide selection of providers. But it's essential to stay vigilant, read terms carefully, and consider contacting the rental company after booking to confirm all details. If this video helped you understand Travelocity's car rental service better, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more honest travel site reviews like this one.